Banu, look! We've arrived at the Jalsa grounds. Alhamdulillah.
Banu, don't forget to put your wellies on. Wow, it looks so big.
I'm so excited to be here. It's my first Jalsa.
Oh wow, there's so many flags.
Can't wait for the exhibitions and the Jalsa doll.
I hope you all have your AIMS cards ready.
I've got mine.
I've got my card.
You'll need them for the scanning area.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, line up everyone.
I'm in the line now.
AIMS IDs, please. Manu,
Yes.
you can come through.
Oh great, alhamdulillah.
Banu,
Yeah?
you can come through.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Babar, I'm sorry, you're going to have to go and update your picture.
Oh no, why?
Your card is too old.
Okay, fine, I'll get it updated. Alright, Manu and Banu, I'll see you
Okay,
soon.
Babar, we'll see you later.
Hafiz.
Assalamu
See you later, Babar.
Khuda Hafiz.
Oh no, wait! I forgot to ask them where to meet them. Banu, come back! No!